So I have a bunch of fossils to show you today. A fossil is any remains we have of life that previously existed. Now you think of dinosaur bones and dinosaur footprints, those are examples of fossils. But anything that's a clue that life once existed can be called a fossil. For example, I have this, what looks like a round stone. This is a gastrolith. Hopefully you know that certain birds will ingest small stones, because they don't have teeth, and it helps grind up their food in their stomach. This came from something a little larger than a chicken, I would say. Now, some dinosaurs had gastroliths in them as well. Not because they didn't have teeth necessarily, but because it helped to grind up the tough vegetative food that they ate. Another kind of fossil we have is a coprolite. This is fossilized dung. Yes. The reason why I'm touching it is because it's fossilized. It's turned to stone. There's no bacteria in it. I don't have to worry about washing my hands afterwards. Sometimes the material is completely changed by having minerals incorporate into the biological material and petrify it or turn it to stone. This is a piece of petrified wood. This was an ordinary piece of wood, but after the plant or whatever, tree, plant, bush, whatever it was, died and was incorporated into the ground, the minerals got into the pore spaces and replaced the biological material with mineral. It's turned to stone. Another kind of fossil is an imprint. So here we have an imprint of a leaf. Probably looks like a fern leaf. And we also have imprints of animals. This looks like an ordinary stone, but when you open it up, surprise, it's an imprint of obviously a fish. Isn't that cool? And sometimes you just do get bones or hard parts like shells. So here is, can you figure out what this is? Can you figure out what this is? It's a hard part. Actually, it probably goes like this. That's right, that's a tooth. A lot bigger than one of my teeth, although when I had my wisdom teeth taken out, I think they felt this big. So yes, hard parts like teeth and bones and shells preserve much better than soft and squishy parts. But remember that I had showed you that soft and squishy things under the right conditions can make fossils. Remember our friend the stromatolite? So fossils are a key way of putting together the history of the Earth. We actually divide the Earth's history into those various pieces you see in the textbook, bases on changes in life through evolution.